Keyword is a reserved word which is used by Python and which has a specific meaning or certain functionality. So there are certain words which are reserved by Python because they have some specific job to be done, and those words are basically known as your keywords or reserved words. Now in Python there are 33 keywords available, and these are the list of keywords that we have in Python. So almost every keyword in Python is usually in lowercase letter. You can see in here this entire list, we can see all are having the keywords in lowercase except these three keywords, that is true, false and none, which begins with an uppercase letter followed by all lowercase. Now, how can exactly I find the list of keywords that are available within Python? So for this, what I should do, I should import a module which is called your keyword. And in this module, there is a predefined variable that is called kwlist, which will list out all the keywords that are present in Python. So we will first import keyword, and then we can write keyword dot kwlist. Now this will give me the complete list of all the keywords that are available within Python. Now how can I find out whether a particular word is a keyword or not? To test whether a particular word or a string is a keyword or not, we have a predefined function inside the same module, that is keyword, and the name of the function is keyword. And this keyword is going to verify whether a particular string is a keyword or it is not a keyword, and it will result a boolean value, I mean true or false. When does it return true? When the string that we have given to this function is a keyword, then it will return true. If the string that I have given it is not a keyword, then it is going to return as false. You can see here I am trying to pass on a string that is def. Now def is one of the keyword, hence I am getting the result as true. This true indicates that yes, def is a keyword. But you can see in the second one where I am giving a string like define, and I am getting the result as false because this define is not in the list of the keywords that are present in Python. So let's check that. We can type keyword dot is keyword, and here I'll pass on, let's say I'm passing def. So I'm getting this as true. Now if I'm going to give the is keyword, and let's say I'm giving some other string which is not a keyword, so hence I'm going to get as false. So at any point of time you want to test whether a particular word that are you using, is it a keyword or not, you can call this function is keyword and you can pass on that particular string. It is going to return true if at all that is a keyword, otherwise it is going to return false.